Alright everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I have another fully protective MagSafe case for the iPhone 15 Plus. So this is going to be my unboxing and first impressions of the Jelanry case for the iPhone 15 Plus and the iPhone 14 Plus. And in particular, I was able to get this case at a really great price. Now, full retail before taxes and my discounts and rewards points, this case is $6. Okay, $5.99, $6, just to make it easy, round it to the nearest dollar. And this particular case comes in 3 colors. The color you guys and gals will see in today's video is the black colorway, but it also comes in a dark green and a pink. Alright, and regardless of whatever color you go with, it's going to be $6 no matter what. Okay, and the whole reason why I decided to pick this case up, aside from just the price, I was actually able to get this for 26 cents. Okay, I'll have a screenshot of my digital receipt thrown up in post so y'all can know exactly what I paid. And I'll also have some B-roll thrown up in post so y'all can see the colors and the pricing before taxes. But aside from the price, the whole reason why I decided to get this case right here is because I really wanted some cases, aside from 1 or 2, that really get rid of all the fingerprints. I want to be using my device and not see any fingerprints. And I also want to fully maintain maximum functionality, and that is what this case should allow me to do. So without further ado, let's unbox it, let's get into it, let's not waste any more time, let's go. So cracking the packaging here. Sliding out the case, you can see all we have is our foam insert. So pop that out. And let's put this off to the side. Rest the case down right here. And checking out the case right here, I have to say this case looks really good. So it's made out of what looks like reinforced TPU material on the outsides. Yeah, nice hard shell TPU material with a nice frosted finish. But you can see it still has our built-in MagSafe magnets, and it has the grips around the sides as well, which is really, really nice as well. And you can see we have fully protected buttons with nice ridges. Okay, we have a nice cutout for our mute slider. Again, with fully protected volume rockers and nice ridges. Good stuff there. Nice precision cutouts for our speakers, our charging port, and our microphones. Alright, really, really good stuff. And is this a 2-piece case? Let me see. Oh yeah, this is a 2-piece case. So you can see there's our MagSafe portion in the back shell. Okay, so if you want to take it apart, you can do so. But I don't think we actually need to take it apart to put it on and take it off. Alright, nice TPU shock absorption material on the inside. Got your diamond square material on the inside, which should help with drops. Alright, let's drop it on the device now. Let's go. So I fully wiped down my iPhone 15 Plus. Let's go ahead and slap it on. Now, like I said, if you find it easier to take it apart, you can take it apart. It is a 2-piece case, but I don't think we really need to. Let me see here. Slide that part in. Click this part in. And yeah, so you don't really need to take it apart, but you can if you want to, if you feel like taking it apart makes it easier to put on and take off. But now the case is on my device, and I have to say, that looks really good. It looks really good. And I do have a really nice tempered glass third-party screen protector, and you can see it still works with this case as well. And I do have a really nice tempered glass third-party lens protector, and it does work with this case really good as well. But I'm seeing a issue already. There's not too much razivity for the back of the case here. Running my finger across, I could tell you the cutout for the cameras and my third-party tempered glass protector are basically even. So I'd be kind of worried if I drop this, because that basically means that if I drop it back down, the camera protector and the case are basically making contact at the same time. Alright? But we do have a really nice raised lip for the display, so that's really good there. Other than that, this does seem like a really good case. Alright, now let's just double check MagSafe capabilities. So I got a few MagSafe accessories here, two of my favorites. A MagSafe kickstand and my MagSafe phone mount. Alright, let's check these out. So drop it on the kickstand. Oh yeah, that snaps right into place. And I can do my portrait mode orientation like so. Boom, no issues. And I can do my landscape orientation like so. Boom, no issues. Alright, so good stuff there. Let's see how hard it is to take off. Oh yeah, I do have to apply pressure. Okay, yeah, I do have to apply a good amount of pressure. So that's nice. So it's not going to drop off with regular rigorous use. Let's try my phone stand here. Oh yeah, that clicks right into place. So I can use it with my phone stand in portrait mode orientation. And then I can do it in landscape mode orientation as well. So really, really good stuff here. And I'll let you guys and gals know in my full review of this case if it works with the MagSafe wireless chargers that I use. Okay? I think it should, because the material seems thin enough to let all of the functionality for my device pass through without issues. But for some of my favorite MagSafe accessories, it does seem like it works no problems. Okay? So that, guys and gals, essentially does it for today's unboxing and first impressions. And again, this has been my unboxing and first impressions of the Jelanry case for the iPhone 15 Plus and the iPhone 14 Plus. Okay? Hope everyone enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys and gals find it helpful. If you did, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. As always, if you guys and gals would like to see more content like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to pick up anything featured in today's video, all of the affiliate links as to where you guys and gals can pick up any and everything featured in today's video will be linked up down below in the video description. And as the name implies, if you guys and gals decide to make your purchase using those affiliate links, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So that makes the affiliate links located down below in the video description a win-win for everyone, in my opinion. Also, if you guys and gals would like to see any more extended coverage on the iPhone 15 Plus or any more of my recommended accessories for the iPhone 15 Plus, I'll link up all of my extended coverage for the iPhone 15 Plus down below in the video description as well. So down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there. And I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace. All right, I'm going to go ahead and use this case now for about a week and come back and let you guys and gals know if this case right here is worth picking up. Hope everyone is having a good one. I'll catch you guys and gals on the next one. Peace. We're out of here.